Hi, welcome to my video, Clickbank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners tutorial. We are building a squeeze page with Groovepages today, our Groovepages today. First, let me explain to you why we want to build a squeeze page. This is my diagram here. We're using YouTube to drive traffic to here it's called an opt-in, same as a squeeze page. That will direct someone to a thank you page, and then that will direct the person to our affiliate product, whether it's a Clickbank product or any product, your product, any product. Now, in my particular funnel, I'm going with 10 emails. I put 10 emails together and they are connected to 10 different videos. All right. That's why I call them a trust video. And the reason why, because the whole purpose of those videos are to build trust. But on the opt-in squeeze page, its purpose is to gather a name and an email. And that would be our asset. You need to develop assets to where you don't have to continuously find and market to the same person over and over and over again. So now let's go to Groove. This is Groovepages here. You can get a free Groovepages account, and with Groovepages you can build 3 funnels absolutely free. It's not for 14 days, it's forever. So it's free forever. When you go over 3, then you know you have to pay. So this is my back door. You see I got 3. I'm going for a 4th. This is Groove Funnels, and everything is arranged by category. And they're constantly adding more templates. We're going to use a template for the sake of making this simple. I'm going to preview this. This is fine. Yep, that's fine. And I'm going to select that. I have to name it. I'm going to call this test YouTube squeeze. And now it's going to ask us to start building. So this is the page that we looked at, right? If you look up here, these are the different mediums which you can build for. For laptop or desktop, smaller desktop, like an iPad, and a mobile. Now, if it's clicked like you see it's clicked here, this means that any changes, and I'll show you that, and which is made is for mobile only, for this iPad only, for this only, for this only, for desktop only. Okay. And Groovepages, we have blocks, we have containers, and this is a container. I can change the information in there. I can change the background. I can change the complete background. I could do all that. Here's what I'm going to say because I don't want to make this a long video. If you select to go with Groovepages, and I will give you a link. If you select to go with Groovepages, they have tutorials. They have a Groovepages Facebook group, and they cover all this. Believe me. So I'm going to go up here first. This is for logo. You see this little arrow with the line above it? It's really asking me if I want to go to the next element. And I said yes because I clicked on it, right? Then I got a trash can I can copy. I'm going to go to trash can, which means delete, and it's gone. Just that simple. So here we say grab your free lead magnet. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to say grab your, I'm going to call this a 10-part course. Okay. Now we can delete this if I hit that, but I'm going to put something there. This would be like it's called a subtitle. Clickbank for beginners. Just going to use that. And I can change the sizing of that and see how I change the siding. I can change color and all that, but I'm going to leave it like that for the sake of simplicity. Here, I can add information here. I don't have to. I can change the background. But we're going to go down here and we're going to change some of this. Okay, remember I talked about the arrow pointing up? I want it to go up. So if I delete now, it will take that whole space. I want it to go up. If I delete now, it would give me all three of these. I want it to go up again because I want the whole thing. If I delete now, it'll give me all of that. Now it would take all this, and that's what I want to do because I want to get rid of that, right? So I hit delete. It asks me, am I sure? I say yes, and see how it took all that away? See? I got a container there. I want to get rid of that. And there we go. If I want to change the name down here, I can put my affiliate marketingfactory.com. You can do all that. Okay. Now, of course, you can write whatever you want to write there. And I just showed you, if you want, you can delete all of that. But what we just did was in desktop mode. Let's go to here. Let's see what we got. Want to make sure that everything is congruent, right? That'll work for that. I'm good with that. What about you? Skip over to mobile. And I'm good with all this. Now let's take a look at this quickly. And this is how it will look for someone clicking on it. And of course, I can put my own picture there. But the main thing I want to show you here is that you can build a web page with Groovepages. Now, one thing about Groovepages is that it loads very fast. This is my page with Groovepages. This is a page I built with Groovepages. And this is live. But let me show you. I'm going to just put the site in here. I'm going to type the site in here. And you see how fast it loads? Groovepages loads very fast. It doesn't, it loads really, really fast. And it's also a good page for SEO for Google. Google loves it. Now, I have a pop-up on here. I didn't talk about that. With the pop-up, if a person goes to leave, notice how I just went up in here as if I'm going to leave. I have it set up to where the pop-up comes on, and I try to gather that person's information one more time. Now, my lead page or my squeeze page are opt-in. It goes to my email list. These are those 10 emails I told you about. They will come out one day after another. Okay, I do want to mention something to you. In Groove, I'm going to get away from that for a second. I didn't save it. In Groove, they do have an email autoresponder. It's a little new, so it still has some glitches in it. And with those glitches, I don't want to take a chance on I can't take a chance. I really can't afford to take a chance because my page is live. So what I did is that I went to Aweber. You see, this is active, and I can get up to, I think, 500 subscribers for free. and then after that, have to start paying. Groovepages, you can connect Aweber, you can connect practically any email with that. So, oh, now let me show you something else. My funnel is YouTube is where the traffic's coming from. I send them to the opt-in. I didn't show you my thank you page. Let me show you the thank you page. So I had to go get the thank you page. Here it is. This is the thank you page. And this would take them to my main page. If they want to see it right away, they can see it right away. Otherwise than that, this is me introducing them to the actual product. I don't know why this is like that, but if you click on it, it's not like that. Hello. Thank you for opting in to the 10-part course. I appreciate it. This is what's going to happen. In a moment, let's stop that. Okay, so now I have showed you the opt-in page. I showed you the thank you page. You saw the link for the affiliate page. I'm not showing you the affiliate page. And you saw my emails. That is my funnel. And the purpose of the funnel is to get people into the system. Okay? Now, let me show you something that's really cool. I have what's called I'm going to call it a digital assistant. And then with this digital assistant, I can collect emails. I can put a person through a complete sales process. I take this. And what I'm going to do is just put this into my browser. And it's going to pull up Facebook at the name and everything. And it's going to walk that person through my funnel. And the whole purpose of this is to get their name and email and all that. Pretty neat, huh? This is it. Hi, Greg. That's my first name. Bill is William is my middle name. Blah, blah, blah. If the person gives their email, it will take them to, but at that time, I would have captured their email. That's something else. I can show you how that works later, but that's just another way to actually get people into your funnel. That's basically all that is. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please subscribe, like it below. If you have any questions, also put your questions below. I'm going to put the link for my 10-part course. That's the main thing. If you want a free site, just comment below. I will send you the Groovepages information. Again, it's totally free. And if you really like my video, click on the bell in the upper right-hand corner to where you'll be notified of other emails that I put out about Clickbank marketing for beginners. And we're going to do some type of training. The next training that we're going to talk about is mindset. Mindset is extremely important. I see you guys later. Peace.